While some parents are excited kids are going back to school, some are dreading the not-so-fun task of packing lunches. Here with her tips on how to pack a lunch that won't come back untouched is Julie Finley, Mom in the Know. Good morning to you, Julie.
Good morning. It's funny when you asked me to come on, you're like, let's do the perfect lunch. I'm like, the perfect lunch is when you open the fridge and it's ready. But it's not going to happen, but I have some super quick tips and it's going to be easy.
Okay.
All of this took me no time because right now everything is fresh. It's in season. And for all those parents at home, one education piece, foodlandontario.ca will tell you when things are in season. They'll tell you how to buy them, how to store them, how to freeze them, and we can have these tastes all winter long.
Foodlandontario.ca.
Yeah, absolutely.
That is
and
really good to
that's
know.
where I got a few of these recipes. So a lot of kids, sandwiches are the go-to. So kids get bored with sandwiches. So we're going to start off with no boredom. We're going to do a pasta salad. So this is an herb and tomato pasta salad.
Okay.
I've done my pasta, of course, colors, vegetable. You could have little alphabets, anything that gets them intrigued. I've cut up some cherry tomatoes. You can do regular. You just put this in.
In season?
This isn't in season,
In season.
And this isn't just for the kids. This is for us too. You want lunches as well.
Yeah.
So I've taken, we barbecued chicken last night. I've taken a cup and a half of that. Just gonna put it on there. And then you're gonna make a dressing. Again, if you don't have time for a dressing, just get your favorite in-store dressing.
Okay.
You're good to go. But this, I've got a 1/3 cup of oil. I've got some salt, pepper, a clove of garlic. That's how big the garlic is right now. Honestly, if you go to the markets this weekend, talk to your growers, they're gonna tell you everything you need to know. I've added a little bit of spice with some chili peppers. I'm gonna put it in, drop some on the ground.
That's okay.
Because you know what, get your kids in the kitchen doing this.
Yeah, it's okay to make a little mess. It's not a big deal.
As you're giving a little stir to this, I'm gonna add parsley to this. But you can do, of course, basil. Maybe you've already started your garden. I've got 3 tablespoons of chives.
Yeah, basil's coming in nicely
now.
now.
Pasta salad, a little bit of Worcestershire.
Ooh,
I did say it. I usually don't get that one going.
Ooh,
and then you're
smells
really
amazing. The aroma is incredible.
It's so lovely. And you're just going to pour that on. You're going to toss it. You're going to put it in the fridge. Everybody can do their own servings, and then that's when we have a little bit of excitement with our lunches.
Look at that.
I know, isn't that lovely?
Let the kids toss it
I
too,
know,
right? It might be a little messy, but let them do that.
Well, speaking of the kids tossing it, my other favorite thing is your own homemade Lunchables.
Okay,
So you're getting them to cut and prepare what they want.
Okay.
Again, cucumbers, peppers, tomatoes, carrots, everything's in season. You get your favorite cheeses. I did a jalapeno Havarti, and I did an old cheddar. But our local cheeses are amazing, so have them try different cheeses and have them cut their own. And I'm saying cut, look at that.
Look at this, look at this.
This knife, this
You can
is
do that.
Tag Along Toys. I love these guys. You can cut anything. I probably shouldn't be cutting my skin because I'm about to show you how easy it is to just cut
there you go.
any
You
veggie.
will not cut yourself.
You won't cut your finger.
You won't
of
hurt
course,
yourself.
teaching them the skills,
Of
getting them in the
course,
kitchen
yeah, just
is
getting
great.
them
But like
practice
peppers,
with
you've
that.
got a little bit of sawing there.
Yeah.
But it cuts through
Oh, that's
anything.
fantastic.
And have them chopping their own stuff.
Yes.
So
Preparing
you want a
their own
lunch
food.
box that's gonna work for you. This is a Yum Yum box. I know, please
So
eat
good.
while you're going. And that's the thing, as you're preparing, you're eating it as well, so they're loving it. Then it's getting them organized doing their own. This again from Tag Along Toys. You've got your proteins, so you're gonna put your chicken in there, your grains, I've got some crackers, your veggies, anything that works,
just
fruit.
put the chicken in
yeah,
there.
just put the chicken in there.
So like
yeah, proteins, there you go.
There you go. And
You
look
got
at
your
that, they can have
cheese.
so much fun doing this themselves. Okay.
Yes, and then
cheese.
Yeah, you got
Dairy.
your dairy.
Okay.
And again, you can do yogurt. So a lot
Right.
of people worry about
Oh, look
spill
at the
and things like
veggies,
this.
Right. It
If
makes
you're-
it fun
it's
for the
so
kids.
fun.
There you go.
And
More
again, this
likely to eat
silicone
it
top,
because they made it themselves, right?
Absolutely. And this silicone top, when you put a little dip in there,
There you
as
go.
soon as you close it up, it's going to turn around. You don't need to worry about a little tip. Don't fill it right to the top because that's where spillage happens. And trust me, I always find out the hard way. And then again, get a little cooler pack. You get that in there. If you are doing sandwiches, this is fun. Getting cookie cutters and cutting out the sandwiches, cutting out the cheese, whatever gets them motivated to get out the door, because that's where they're going anyways.
All right, we've got about a minute, so what else do you have?
My other thing is dessert. Everybody loves dessert. This is another little Gobi lunch kit. You can open this up. Oh, I already had it opened.
Okay.
You can go 1 or 2, and then you click it,
Oh,
and
come
it goes
on.
to the other things.
Oh,
so
that's
this
fun.
is my idea for
Okay.
your fruit salad or
All
your
right.
fruit parfait. Fill all these little things with fruit, and then these little stainless steel guys, I've got the oatmeal in there, I've got the yogurt, and again, you could put this on your desk, it doesn't move. This Go Green lunchbox is fantastic, because look at that. It's got a little thing you could write notes to, or have anything fun. You
that.
can leave a little eraser in there, marker in there to
You know,
do
I
it.
gotta write something here.
Yeah, do little riddles.
CTVML. Heart.
There you go. And then again, everybody, use your Mabel's labels, tag things,
Yes.
because as much as an exciting lunch is, you want your Lunchables back, you want your thermoses back.
Yes.
So get that ordered in. And then again, if you want to pack in a lunch, a little game for kids to play, it's a good icebreaker those first couple of weeks. Like
Yes,
pack
so
a card,
true.
spot it, a book if they want some time on their own. But lunch is a great time to refuel and be ready for school success.
Julie Finley, Mom in the Know. Lunch and snacks should be fun, and you've made it so fun, so colorful, so tasty. All the vegetables and fruits are in season, so you know what that means, Julie? I got to reach over across there
Yes,
and get
exactly.
myself some blueberries. And
It's hard not to enjoy it
this
all,
is so
right?
good,
It's
so
great.
fresh. Thank you so much, Julie Finley.